It's your girl Saucy Goddess coming at y'all with a new video. Yes, I am finally back. Yes, it's been a while. I'll tell y'all the details later. Anywho, so yeah, as y'all can tell that I finally got my car. My baby. She's old, but she can still work. I call her Malia. I love it, Malia. I probably name if I ever have two girls, like if I ever have two daughters, Brooklyn and Malia. Oh, that'd be bad, because they'd be like, you need me? I'm gonna call her. I'm like, yes. Anyways, so I got my stuff in the back, as you can see. Yeah, you can't see the box and the rest of the stuff, but it's there. So without further ado, I hope you guys like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, saucy.goddess, Snapchat, the same thing, Twitter, same thing, everything is saucy.goddess. Yes, and also, if y'all have not known, look at my keychains. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's so cute, y'all. It's so damn cute. And then more stuff hasn't came yet. It was only like more stuff that didn't come, but no, that's a lot. It was like 3 stuff. It was like the decal stickers. Yeah, the decals, whatever they're called. The stickers. It was supposed to be like a Barbie theme, but I was like, yeah. Anyways, so let's just get right in the video, because I know y'all tired of me talking. So okay, so I'm gonna put y'all right here because I didn't get my phone holder yet, you know, the phone holder, so I'm using my little pink speaker for right now. But the first thing I'm gonna just show y'all is my license plate covers. They got me 2. I don't really need to, but they just did it anyways. I should have read it. But this pink one with the bow, it is so cute, y'all. It is so cute, and I'm already in love with it, and I cannot wait to put this on. But I'm not gonna put it on right now. My mom's gonna help me. So yeah. And then the next thing is this. It's so soft. I'm just showing y'all everything right now, and then I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna put it on. Yeah. Told y'all in the last couple minutes ago, I can remember this. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. So soft. I'm in love. Ah! So then I got my LED lights. I took most stuff out. Yeah. So I got my LED lights. The LED lights is going to be the last thing I'm going to put on, because it's currently 6:01. So yeah, it's 6:01. And what else? I'm gonna put, yeah. So the LED lights are going to be the last thing. So then I have my car seat cover. Yes. And here's the thing. When people get in my car, just know it's gonna be all pink. I don't want no mess. I don't want no messiness. I don't want nothing. Nada. Okay. I don't want nothing. Okay. And even with that, just know it's gonna be so cute. It's gonna be cute. It's gonna be cute. Y'all gonna see in person, or y'all gonna see on my YouTube channel. This is also like my license and registration kind of book thingy. So if I ever get pulled over and the cops will be like, me. I got this, and it's so cute. And I knew. I knew that it was gonna be different kind of pinks, but it's still pink. It's still cute. Pink is just such a pretty color. But as y'all know, my favorite color is purple, but I didn't really see a lot of purple stuff. And my baby gotta be dripped out. My car gotta be dripped.
Moments later.
So next is my gap fillers. I thought it came with 2. No, it came with 1. Which I don't really have a problem with that. I'll buy more when I get paid. But this is cute. It's cute. It's just I thought it was going to be 2, and yeah, for only what. And I got most of the stuff from Shein, and like most of the stuff, and I'll show you too. Most of this stuff was just Shein and Amazon. Shein and Amazon. And then I have, and this is so cute. You know what? I'm gonna put this. This is the first thing. This is gonna be the first thing, cause I already opened it up. I was like, oh, yes. So hold on. So this is so damn cute. And it did come with more rhinestones, just in case if the rhinestones falls off. And I think, actually, you know what? Let me put it the other way. Let me put it the other way. Like, oh, okay, I see it now. Yeah, okay. Cause she's gonna look 5-star. 5-star on the Mega Drive. Hold on. I gotta. Okay, yeah. Oh my god! My bad. I accidentally deleted one of the videos. I can't get it back. But anyways, so look how cute she is. Like, look how cute this is. Like, this is so cute. Next up, and I'm sorry, I had to charge my phone. So y'all gonna keep getting like different clips because my phone keeps dying, and I'm the type of person that will put my phone like at least 15% and then it'll die again. That's how I am. Anywho, so I got these. So when you open your door, right? I got these cute little rhinestone things for when you open your car. You're gonna see it. Y'all gonna see it soon. So I got 2 of these. I wanted 1, but thank you. And then I got this because I'm gonna be the only person. So I got my, hold on, let me open it because it's so cute. So I have my purse hangers, car hangers, and I got my cup holders, and they came with 4, y'all. 4. I thought it was just gonna come with 2, and I got 4 cup holders in my car, so it's already automatic. Over. Last but not the least is my car mats. Yes, because I'm going all pinked out. It's gonna be an all pink Barbie car. Yes, I literally said I was not gonna do a Barbie. I'm playing. But no, it's an all pink glamorous car. My boyfriend, he don't want, like, my boyfriend, and I'm gonna tell y'all this, my boyfriend, he don't want to be in my car. He was like, oh, I'm not getting in a pink glittery car.
Police! Police! Help! Police! Help! Police! Help! Help! Police!
Okay, so it's getting dark. I already put with off camera my car seat cover. One of them. I'm gonna put the rest of them later on. If it stops raining a little bit, I'll do it. But look how cute that is. Yes. And then I was trying to test it out. So hold on. So I got this. I just put this on off camera too. This on, and it's so soft. Like, ah! And then let me show you guys something. So I got this. I'm about to put the cup closers in. I got my little phone. If I put like my little phone and my wipes, all that stuff, my car wipes, that sugar honey iced tea. So let me just put my cup clusters in. So, and look look how cute this is, y'all. Look how cute it is. Look how cute. And it's pink. And then, yeah, just bing, bing, boom. And then I might do my car mats next. You know what? No, let me do that right now. Yeah, let me do that right now. So, okay. So one has just been placed. And then look how cute this is. So. And this one, and then
many months later, 6.5 hours later, 1 eternity later, 2,000 years.
okay, so it's currently 7:30. So I'm basically halfway done. I didn't do these seat covers right here, but I did do these. Oh yes. And now all I need to do is the LED lights.
Moments later, a few minutes later, a few inches later, 12 seconds later, many months later, 6.5 hours later, 1 eternity later, 2,000 years.
Take this overboard now.
Don't play with it, don't be the size. Still not